Okay. So why they are not perfect square? Let me tell you one thing. So the number which ends with 2, 3, 7, 8, or odd number of zeros. Odd number of zeros means the number of zero is like say 1, 3, 5. If there are odd number of zeros in the end, then that number are not perfect square. This point you have to remember. What is the point? The number which ends with 2, 3, 7, 8 or odd number of zero, it is never a perfect square. So this is the reason. Yes.
Ma'am, can I tell the first one?
Just a minute. So I got the answer of Anmol. Let me check it. Then I will discuss with all of you till all of you try to do it yourself. Yes, Anmol, all parts are absolutely correct. Excellent for that. Yes. So everyone is ready with all the 8 parts. Can we
Yes,
discuss?
ma'am.
Okay, Samarth, what do you say for the first part?
Ma'am, it is not perfect square because it ends with 7.
You are correct. Dhriti, what do you say for second part?
Ma'am, it is not a perfect square because it ends with 3.
Correct. Mahika, what do you say for third part?
Ma'am, it is because it ends with 8.
Correct. Samarth, what do you say for fourth part?
Ma'am, it is not because it ends with 2.
Correct. Dhriti, what do you say for fifth part?
Uh, ma'am, ma'am, it is not a perfect square.
Why?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes.
Ma'am, because it has odd numbers
Ma'am,
of zeros.
Correct.
it cannot end with 0.
Correct. No, you should say it has odd number of zeros. You can see there are 3 zeros. It is ending with 3 zeros. So if the number is ending with odd number of zero, then we will say it is not a perfect square. So let's move to the sixth part. Mahika,
Ma'am, it is not.
reason?
Ma'am, because it ends with 2.
Correct. Sixth part, Samarth?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it should be 7.
Yeah, seventh part.
Ma'am, because it ends with odd numbers of zeros.
Very good. So Dhriti, last for you.
Uh, yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the last one ma'am, is not a perfect square. Ma'am, because it has odd number of 0.
Correct. So we can move to question number 31. The third question, I should say, the square of which of the following would
Ma'am,
be
I have a trick for this one.
odd number? Just a minute. So you have to find the square of this number. Which number will be odd number? Yes, Samar, share the trick.
Ma'am, if a number is ending with the odd number, it cannot be a square of an even number.
So you can say if I take the square of odd number, then it will be odd. What you should say rather? You should say if I take the square of odd number, then it will be odd. And if I take the square of even number, then it will be even.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let's try question number 3. If I take the square of even number, then it will be even number. So you have to identify the square of which number should be odd number. So that is very easy question. So everyone be ready with the answer. Anmol, you are absolutely correct. So all 4 parts are correct, Anmol, and good typing speed, I should say, excellent.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, Samar, for first part you tell.
Ma'am, If the ma'am, yes,
Yes,
this
it
number would be the square of an odd number.
correct. So if I take the square of 431, so it is odd. What do you say, Dhriti, for the second part?
Ma'am, even.
It will be even. Okay. Third part, Mahika,
Odd.
odd. You are correct. Fourth part, Samarth,
Ma'am, even.
even. You are correct. So let's move to question number 4. You have to observe the pattern and you have to find the missing digit. So fourth part, give it a try, see the pattern.
Ma'am, can I tell for the first part?
First part, meaning you want to say about first blank.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, go ahead.
Ma'am, it would be 1, 4 times 0,
Hmm?
then 2, 4 times 0, 1.
You are correct. So what is the observation, Samarth?
Ma'am, ma'am, if there is 1 0 in between, we would add zeros between 1 and 2.
So the proper explanation is like if we have 1 0, then there will be 1 0. If there are 2 0, then there will be 2 zeros in between.
Okay, ma'am.
So whatever is the number of 0, that will be reflected in right hand side also. So
Yes,
you can
ma'am.
see there are 4 zeros on the left hand side. So you will again get 4 zeros on the right hand side. Your mic is like making noise. Okay. So there are 4 zeros on the right hand side. You can see, like, you just observe the pattern. If there is 1 0, then 1 0. If there are 2 0, then 2 0 on right hand side. So Mahika, are you ready
Ma'am,
for the next one?
ma'am,
Yes. No, ma'am. Actually, I'm not ready. Can you give this chance to Dhruti?
Yeah, Dhriti.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 1 6 zeros, and then ma'am 2, and then again 6 zeros, 1.
Excellent. So what we need to observe, there are 6 zeros in between. So I will be putting 6 zeros, the same number of zeros as there in left hand side. So I have to put 4, 5, 6, 0, then 2, then again I have to put 6, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0, and then 1. So this completes. So please observe the pattern of question number 5 and come up with the answer.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, Samarth.
Ma'am, it would be 1 0 2 0 3 0 4 0 3 0 2 0 1.
Absolutely correct. Very good, Samarth.
Thank you, ma'am.
So see what is the pattern. You can see
Ma'am,
like,
can I tell?
yeah,
Ma'am, if there are 3 ones, then there would be 3 digits, like 1, 2, 3.
okay.
And there are 4 ones in the last one, so there was 1, 2, 3, 4.
Correct. Correct. So your observation is correct. So what he is saying, whatever is the number of 1. So like there are 2 1. So he's saying, so then we need to move to 10, 20. If there are 3 ones, then we need to move to 30. If there are 4 ones, then we need to move to 40. So, and Anmol has also done it correctly. I have seen your answer, Anmol. So it is 10, 20, 30, then 40, then you keep on decreasing. So now is 30, 20, and 1. So you are absolutely correct. So Dhriti, are you ready with the next one?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Okay.
ma'am, 5 times 1.
5 times 1. How can I write? So just
Ma'am, 1010.
1010.
Uh, 10
Hmm.
101.
Hmm. Excellent. Very good. So 10101010. So I have to write 5 ones basically. She wants to convey this, that we need to move for 5 ones, because we can see here is the last digit is 50. Then it decreases. So it is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So 5 times 1, 10, 10, 10, 10, 1. Very good observation. So let's move to question number 6.
Mom, can I tell for the first blank which is in the second row? I have
Yes,
done for all.
yes, Samar.
Mom, it is 6 square.
6 is
Mom, not this one.
which
The
you are
one which
saying?
is 5 plus 2, 5 plus dash plus 30.
Okay,
There would come 6 square.
you are correct. 5 is square plus 6 is square plus 30 square. So can you move with the first one? Can you tell me what should come? 4 is
Yes,
square plus
ma'am.
5 square. What should come here in this blank?
Mom, me.
Yeah.
Mom, 20.
You are correct. Very good observation, Samarth. So you can see that 3 into 4, or if you observe the pattern 1 into 2, here you are getting 2, 2 into 3 you are getting 6, 3 into 4 you are getting 12. So 4 into 5 is 20. Absolutely correct.
Mom, but I did with something else.
Okay, okay. Share what is your thought.
Mom, 2 plus 2 minus 6 is 4. 6 minus 12 is 6. So, mom, it is adding 2. Meaning 4 plus 2 is 6. Then plus 6 plus 2 is 8. We have to add 12 plus 8. Then 8 plus 2 is 10. So 20 plus 10 is 30. And 30 plus 12. Mom, the last one.
Understood, understood. So that can also work. No issue. That is also correct. So Dhriti, are you ready with the last blank?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, I'm ready. Ma'am, it is 42, and then ma'am 43.
Excellent. Very good observation, I should say. So 6 into 7 is 42. Then you have to take the next number. You can see 2, then 3, 6. Then we have taken 7, 12, then 13, 20, 21, then 30, 31, 42, 43. Excellent. So all of my students are
Thank you, ma'am.
brilliant. Okay. So let's move to seventh question. Just allow me to give you a formula for this. So like we need to sum the odd number. You can see the odd number started from 1. So if I like take the sum of first 5 odd number. So the formula is n square, where n is number of terms. So let's say there are how many terms? There are 5 terms. So the formula is like magic. So just put 5 square. So what answer you are getting? You are getting 5 into 5, that is 25. So you can see, just add it. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 7, 16. 16 plus 9 is 25.
Ma'am, I'm ready with the second part. Can I tell?
Just a minute. So
Me with third.
just a minute. So please just write in your copy, all of you, that sum of odd number, sum of an odd number, sum of n odd numbers is equal to n square. So this is a brilliant formula, I should say. if there are n odd numbers, like you have to
Excuse
count.
me, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, who created this formula?
need not to bother about this invention. Like maths is not for learning who invented this. Some of the theorems that you need to learn, but it is not a, like you need not to remember the name.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so sum of n odd number. Okay, so who is ready? I think Dhriti
Yes,
is
ma'am.
ready with the second part.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
I'm
Ma'am,
ready with the
there
third.
are 10 numbers here, so 10 square, which is equal to 100.
It is correct. So firstly, you have to count the number of terms: 4, 5, 6,
Ma'am, can you tell
7,
the third?
8, 9, 10. So there are 10 terms. So 10 square, Dhriti, you are correct. It is 100. Yes, Samar.
Ma'am, the third one is 12 into 12, which is 144.
Correct. So there, till 19 there are 10 terms. 11,
Yes,
12.
ma'am.
So 12 square. So value of 12 square, that is 12 into 12. So it comes out to be 144. Okay. So I'm just breaking this meeting and connecting again.